Best new hatchbacks of 2022. We're a big fan of cars, it's right there in our name. Especially those that are practical and fun to drive. Hatchbacks hit both those marks better than most other body styles, offering a rear liftgate and easily accessible, open cargo area like most SUVs. Plus, they have the perky driving attributes of a small car. Unless you're hauling a family of 5 or venturing off-road, a hatchback will serve you better than that crossover across the showroom, and it'll deliver better fuel economy too. Kia Rio. The Kia Rio represents cheap, simple transportation at its best. Fuel efficient and inexpensive but with a surprising amount of driving sophistication and features for the price, this subcompact provides good value for the money. It's available as either a sedan or a hatchback, but neither body style has much space in the rear seat or cargo area. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard equipment, and several driver assistance features are optional. Chevy Bolt EV. The 2022 Chevy Bolt EV not only looks more exciting inside and out, the redesigned electric hatchback also has enhanced features and a much cheaper asking price. While the most noticeable changes are its futuristic sheet metal and freshly refinished cabin, it still employs a front-drive only powertrain that delivers near-instant acceleration. Chevy estimates the 2022 Bolt EV can travel up to 259 miles on a full charge. Honda Civic. Honda's popular Civic compact car gets a big glow-up for the 2022 model year as it debuts a more grown-up appearance, new features, and a refined cabin design. The improvements and more helped it earn a spot on our editor's choice list. A selection of 4-cylinder engines, including a turbocharged 1.5-liter, are offered. Front-wheel drive will continue to be standard as Honda insists all-wheel drive is not part of the plan. Hyundai Veloster N. At only 3 years old, the 2022 Hyundai Veloster N is still relatively new to the hot hatch scene, but it has put the old guard on notice. With a 275 horsepower turbo 4 that makes delightfully juvenile noises and a chassis that causes stirring emotions, Hyundai's 3-door hatch is as funky as it is fun to drive. It's also offered with a satisfying manual transmission, unlike the new VW Golf R, or a rifle-action dual-clutch automatic, unlike the current Honda Civic Type R. Mazda 3. For buyers with champagne taste but only a sparkling cider budget, the 2022 Mazda 3 delivers a premium package at a normal compact car price. It's offered both as a sedan and a hatchback and can be equipped with optional all-wheel drive, a punchy turbo engine, and enough upscale features to be taken seriously among small Audis, BMWs, and Benzes. Volkswagen Golf GTI fears that Volkswagen would annihilate the entire Golf lineup are all but forsaken, with the 2022 Golf GTI set to begin an all-new generation of the sporty hatchback. Although it appears the German automaker will still stop selling regular, boring, Golfs in the United States, the GTI and the even zestier R model, which we review separately, have been spared. Volkswagen Golf R. The 2022 Volkswagen Golf R is ready to overthrow the hottest hatchbacks that have been hogging headlines during its absence from our shores. Spawned from the improvements made to the upcoming Mk8 Golf GTI, the R-rated model has a more powerful 315 horsepower turbo 4 and an all-wheel drive system with a drift mode. We even named it to our 2022 editor's choice list. Kia Stinger. Kia's big sports sedan, the 2022 Stinger, aims high to challenge the automotive elites from Europe, and nearly pulls it off. When compared with rivals such as the Audi A5 Sportback and the BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe, the Stinger offers a very similarly premium look and feel as well as lots of driving verve, making it a great option for enthusiasts on a budget. It shares its underpinnings with the impressive Genesis G70 sedan, but the Stinger disguises its roomier interior, larger cargo hold, and hatchback liftgate with a sexy fastback roofline. Polestar 2. The 2022 Polestar 2 is a lot of things, specifically a 4-door hatchback with the proportions of a sedan and the ride height of a crossover, but above all else it's an electric vehicle. Its Polestar branding will be familiar to fans of Volvo's performance division, but now it signifies pure electric and plug-in hybrid models. The 2's odd design isn't very pretty, but its hatchback body and much lower price make it more practical and attainable.